So I got a little finishing tip for you here. When you're working with wood, I'm doing a hand rub polyurethane right now, and you're wanting to put a finish on here, getting down into those grooves that you made, the design's tough, so you kind of have to load up and really put a lot of it in there. Well, the thing is with hand rub poly, you want to then wipe it back so it doesn't get gummy and sticky, that it's a nice thin coat that you put on there. But you wipe it back and lo and behold, you can't get the liquid out of there. You can see how it's shining. That would look terrible. So my trick for that is you take some compressed air and you simply blow the finish out of the groove. And then you take the excess off with your towel or your applicator again. It's kind of rough, but you get the idea here. But now when you look at it up close, there is no finish stuck inside, so it's nice and even.